Here are some effective ways to achieve success. 1. Setting goals. Set clear, specific goals for yourself. Goals must be measurable, achievable, and time-bound. By setting goals, you can direct your efforts and focus your energy toward achieving them. 2. Planning and organizing. Create a clear action plan to achieve your goals. Determine the necessary steps, required resources, and timeline. Organization and good planning help increase efficiency and organize efforts. 3. Continuous learning. Continue to develop your skills and knowledge in the field in which you want to succeed. Check out available educational resources, attend courses and seminars, and read specialized books and articles. Continuing to learn helps you develop and adapt to changes in the field in which you work. 4. Hard work and diligence. Success cannot be achieved without hard work and perseverance. Apply your efforts regularly and persevere to overcome difficulties. Diligence and perseverance help you achieve positive results and overcome obstacles.